Brain dumping is a technique used to clear the mind by transferring all thoughts, ideas, and tasks onto paper or a digital device. Essentially, it's a process of externalizing internal clutter. By jotting down everything that comes to mind without filtering or organizing, individuals can free up mental space and reduce cognitive load. This practice is essential for mental clarity because it helps alleviate the burden of trying to remember everything, which can often lead to stress, overwhelm, and decreased productivity. By decluttering the mind through a brain dump, individuals can gain a clearer perspective, prioritize tasks more effectively, and make better decisions. It's like decluttering a messy room. Once the excess is cleared away, it's easier to find what's truly important and focus on it with clarity and purpose. A brain dump serves as a powerful tool for organizing thoughts, relieving stress, and enhancing productivity in several ways. Firstly, it provides individuals with a structured method to unload all their thoughts and ideas onto paper or a digital platform. By externalizing these thoughts, individuals can gain a clearer understanding of their mental landscape and identify patterns or connections between different ideas. This process of externalization enables better organization as individuals can categorize and prioritize tasks or thoughts more effectively. Moreover, the act of brain dumping can be cathartic, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Rather than allowing thoughts to swirl endlessly in the mind, individuals can release them onto paper, creating a sense of relief and mental lightness. This process of unloading mental clutter can reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed and provide a sense of control over one's thoughts and tasks. Additionally, engaging in a brain dump can significantly improve productivity by streamlining focus and decision-making. Once thoughts are externalized, individuals can review them more objectively and identify the most important tasks or ideas to tackle first. This clarity of mind enables individuals to set clearer goals, establish actionable plans, and make more efficient use of their time and resources. By eliminating mental distractions and freeing up cognitive resources, brain dumping empowers individuals to work with greater concentration and effectiveness, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity and achievement of goals. The brain dumping process can be broken down into several steps to ensure its effectiveness. 1. Set the scene. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without interruptions. Gather your preferred tools for brain dumping, such as a notebook and pen or a digital device. 2. Prepare mentally. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and clear your mind. Set an intention for the brain dump session, whether it's to relieve a stress, organize thoughts, or brainstorm ideas. 3. Start writing. Begin by writing down any and every thought that comes to mind without judgment or filtering. This includes tasks, ideas, concerns, worries, or anything else occupying your thoughts. Write freely and quickly, allowing your mind to flow without pausing to analyze or edit. 4. Use prompts. If you're struggling to get started, consider using prompts to stimulate your thinking. For example, you could begin with questions like, "What do I need to accomplish today?" or "What's been weighing on my mind lately?" 5. Keep going. Continue writing until you feel you've emptied your mind of all its clutter. Don't worry about coherence or organization at this stage. Simply focus on getting everything out of your head and onto the page. 6. Review and organize. Once you've finished brain dumping, take a moment to review what you've written. Look for common themes, prioritize tasks, and identify any important insights or ideas that emerge. 7. Create actionable items. From your brain dump, create a list of actionable items or tasks. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, and assign deadlines or priorities as needed. 8. Implement and reflect. Use the insights gained from your brain dump to guide your actions and decision-making moving forward. Regularly review and update your brain dump as new thoughts or tasks arise, and reflect on your progress to refine your approach over time. 9. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, as you work through the tasks generated from your brain dump. This positive reinforcement can help maintain motivation and momentum in your productivity efforts. 10. Repeat regularly. Make brain dumping a regular practice in your routine, whether it's daily, weekly, or as needed. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of this powerful technique for clearing your mind and enhancing productivity. Overcoming common challenges. During brain dumping, it's common to encounter obstacles such as distractions, mental blocks, or overwhelm, which can hinder the effectiveness of the process. Distractions, whether external, such as noise or interruptions, or internal, such as wandering thoughts, can disrupt focus and make it challenging to stay on track. To address distractions, try to minimize external disturbances by choosing a quiet environment and turning off notifications on electronic devices. Additionally, practice mindfulness techniques to redirect wandering thoughts and maintain concentration. Mental blocks, characterized by a lack of ideas or inspiration, can also impede progress during brain dumping. If faced with a mental block, take a brief break to clear your mind, engage in physical activity, or revisit the brain dumping process with a different perspective or approach. Furthermore, overwhelm may arise when confronted with a flood of thoughts or tasks during brain dumping. To combat overwhelm, break down the process into smaller, more manageable steps, prioritize tasks, and focus on addressing one item at a time.